Hi, a question for you today. Are you someone who's struggling to stay focused, to move forward, or to better influence people, or to attract people to invest in you, buy from you, support you? If this is you, I would wonder if you're interested in having more advanced tools and strategies that'll help you to become more productive, to become more influential, and be more successful. I can help you. I'm Lynda Kenny and I'm a certified high performance coach, and I'm looking for 5 new people to guide through my high performance coaching process. And what that means is that I'd work one on one with you and to help you break through those obstacles or those barriers that's holding you back and help you reach your highest potential and performance in everything that you do. The easiest way to do that is to fill in my application form. And what it will do is get you to answer some questions that will really help you to understand where you are at the moment, how you're thinking, how you're feeling, what's holding you back, what distractions are stopping you from going forward. And if you fill in that application at callwithlynda.com and send it back to me, I can determine if we're a good fit, and I'll schedule a complimentary one-on-one session with you that's an hour long. And yes, it's totally free. And what I will do on that first call is I'll share with you what I've learned about the most successful people and what they're doing differently to what you're doing and what I was doing before I learned about it. And during that call, I'm going to give you 5 principles that you can use that will help you master your mind, master your body, and your ability to actually be more productive and influential every day of your life. Now, isn't that something that you'd like to do? So begin the process by filling in my application form and send it back to me. That you can reach that at callwithlynda.com. I look forward to working with you because I want to help you make this year your breakthrough time.